Hey everyone! Today we're diving into a piece of tech that's a little different from your standard consumer gadgets. This is a 2D, 3D optical equipment electronic projector designed for high-precision manual optical vision measurement. At first glance, it might look like something out of a lab, and that's because it is. This isn't a projector for movies or presentations. It's an industrial-grade measuring tool intended for anyone who needs precise image measurement and optical analysis. So, why would you even need something like this? Well, if you're working in engineering, product design, or quality control, the accuracy of your measurements can make a huge difference. This device allows you to project and measure 2D and 3D images with extremely fine precision. Imagine being able to take a physical component, project it onto the measurement screen, and then analyze every curve, line, and angle down to microns. That's essentially what this device enables. The setup itself is surprisingly straightforward for such a technical piece of equipment. You start with the base, which is very stable to minimize any vibration or movement during measurement. Stability here isn't just a luxury. It's crucial because even the slightest shake could throw off the readings. Then there's the projection system. Unlike your typical projector, this one is built for clarity over spectacle. It creates an extremely sharp, highly detailed image of the object you're measuring. The 2D and 3D capabilities allow for different viewing modes depending on your measurement needs. Manual operation is a big feature here. While some optical projectors are automated, this one gives you control over every movement. The hand-cranked or adjustable controls let you move the projector stage with precision, ensuring you can align your object perfectly. The dials and knobs might look old school, but that tactile feedback is actually a huge advantage in precision work. You can feel each adjustment, making fine-tuning much more intuitive than relying purely on software. Speaking of software, this projector does integrate digitally in terms of measurement capture. You can connect it to your computer or measurement system, allowing you to log and analyze data digitally. That's where the real power comes in. Instead of just manually marking points or visually estimating dimensions, you get exact readings stored and ready for reporting or further CAD analysis. One of the most impressive aspects is the optical precision. The lenses and projection system are designed for minimal distortion, which is a common problem in lower quality optical devices. Every line, edge, and contour is preserved, so you can trust that the measurements reflect the true physical dimensions of your object. This is critical in fields like machining, where even a tiny miscalculation can lead to significant production errors. It's also versatile. You can measure small parts or larger objects, switch between 2D and 3D views, and even overlay reference images for comparison. The instrument gives you a lot of flexibility depending on the task. And while it may seem complex at first with a little practice, the workflow becomes very efficient. You'll find yourself moving objects onto the stage, adjusting projection, and reading off measurements much faster than you might expect. Durability and build quality are worth noting. This is a tool that's designed to last, often constructed with metal and high-quality optical components rather than plastic. That investment in materials translates to reliability. You're not going to find yourself recalibrating every week or worrying about the projector losing alignment. Finally, this is a kind of device that changes how you approach precision measurement. For engineers, quality inspectors, or designers, it's not just about looking at an object. It's about interacting with it in a way that makes measurement easier, more accurate, and more repeatable. It bridges the gap between manual inspection and digital analysis, giving you the best of both worlds. So if you're looking to take your measurement capabilities to the next level, this 2D, 3D optical equipment electronic projector is a serious contender. High precision manual control and the ability to integrate with digital measurement systems make it an essential tool for professionals who demand accuracy. And if you're interested in checking it out, the link is down in the description. It's a specialized piece of equipment, but for the right application, it's incredibly powerful.